So over here on the bottom, you can see that I got 3 images right here, which are part of the same scene. Let's say what I want to do is I want to merge them out as Panorama, but let's say what I want to merge with is Adobe Photoshop. So to do that, you can go ahead and select the Shift button, select the first image, hold Shift, and then select the last to select all of the images over here. And to merge them out as a single panoramic image using Photoshop, you can right click right here. If you were to go to Photo Merge, you can see Panorama, but that uses Lightroom itself. If you want to use Photoshop, you can go around over here onto Edit In, and then you can see that Merge to Panorama in Photoshop is an option right here. You can simply go ahead and select this right here. Then what happens is that it sends these 3 pictures into Photoshop. So Photoshop will load up, as you can see right here. So you need to go ahead and wait for a while. And then this is what you get right here. Photo Merge opens up right here, and you can go ahead and choose whatever you want, like perspective, cylindrical, spherical, and so forth. Let me just go ahead and choose auto right here, just like this, and press OK. So once you go ahead and do that, it'll go ahead and analyze out these images in Photoshop now, as you can see right here, which are the images that I selected from Lightroom. And once I select all these 3 right here, then this is what you have, as you can see right here. So you can see that it is analyzing out the image and now is merging it out. So you can see that everything is happening. You need to wait for a while right here, and then you can see that the merge is complete. And that is how you can go ahead and merge out the image as Panorama in Photoshop using Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.